In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Invoice in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating to the right place, filling in the key details, and saving a clean, accurate invoice your team can rely on. First, sign into Zoho CRM and land on the home page. From here, head to the inventory area. Inventory is where Zoho keeps all the records tied to products, pricing, and the transaction modules, so it's the natural place to manage invoices. Inside inventory, open the Invoices module. This is your list of existing invoices, plus the starting point for new ones. To begin a new invoice, click Create Invoice. You'll see a form with header details at the top and line items further down. Start with the invoice owner. This is the user responsible for the invoice internally. Choose yourself or the teammate who will manage communications or follow-up. Setting the right owner helps with reporting and ensures notifications go to the right person. Next, add a clear subject. Think of this as the invoice title your team can recognize at a glance. A simple naming convention, like the customer name and a short description or month, makes it easier to search and filter later. Set the invoice date. This marks when the invoice is issued and often influences accounting periods and payment terms. Then set the due date. Choose a date based on your agreed payment terms, such as net 15 or net 30. If your organization uses default terms, the due date may auto-suggest. Still, confirm it matches what you promised the customer. Add the account name. Start typing to search and select the customer account. This links the invoice to the correct company and typically pulls in related billing details stored on the account. If you don't see the account, make sure it already exists in CRM. It's best practice to create or verify the account before invoicing. If this invoice comes from a sales order, select that sales order here. Doing so can copy line items and prices straight into the invoice, keeping everything consistent with what the customer approved. If there's no sales order, you can skip this. There's also a field for a purchase order. Use this to capture the customer's PO number, which many finance teams rely on for reconciliation. It's optional, but very helpful when your customer requires it. Now move down to the invoiced items section. This is where you add what you're billing for. Click into the product name column and pick an item from your product catalog. Using existing products ensures the correct SKU, tax settings, and default list prices carry over. If you can't find the product, confirm it's already created in the Products module. Enter the quantity next. Double-check units, especially if you sell services or bundles where the unit might be hours, licenses, or packages. Then review the list price. This is typically pre-filled from your price books. If your permissions allow, you can adjust it for special pricing or discounts already approved. The amount will calculate from quantity and list price. If your organization has taxes or additional charges configured, they may appear automatically based on product or region settings. Give everything a quick review for accuracy so the subtotal, taxes, and total align with what you quoted. Before you wrap up, scan the header and line items one more time. Confirm the owner is correct, the subject is meaningful, the dates reflect your terms, and the account is accurate. Ensure the items, quantities, and pricing match your agreement or any linked sales order. Catching small typos now prevents confusion and delays in payment later. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho CRM will validate required fields and save the invoice to your invoices list. If you see any prompts about missing information, fill those in and save again. That's it. The invoice is created and ready for your internal processes, whether that's review, syncing with your finance tools, or future follow-up. Thanks for watching. If you follow this process each time, navigating to inventory, opening invoices, creating the record, completing the header details, adding accurate line items, and saving, you'll keep your invoicing consistent, traceable, and quick.